Seriously? Dude. The hell? And on my birthday, too. Like I'm not already late enough. Gross. Stupid. Undead douchebags. This is so irritating. Jeez, it sucks when things explode. I need to find how to cook zombies. Awesome! Hold it right there, you zombie jerks. I'll help you. Damn it.
Awesome. I'm still alive!
Pretty zombie medals.
Thanks, kid. Really great work. See if you can get anyone else out.
Be careful.
Look out! Incoming!
Whoa, zombies suck dick at driving.
Great. See one more. I got it. All right.
We gotta deliver them eggs.
Watch out!
Come on, get away from me! My favorite president is Warren G. Harding.
It's so bad to save somebody's life.
Well, we got these ones. And I see a whole group of these undead bastards incoming. Meet me up ahead. Fantastic job, kid.
Glad you made it, pilot dude!
Where's the bee?
Hold on, this is too dangerous. I'll meet you in the square.
Jesus God! Get off me, you bastard! No!
Oh shit! Tell my wife.
Oh no! He crashed over by the school and is probably dead! Just a second!
Hey, it's Mom, Juliet. Hope you're taking care of yourself. Don't do anything stupid, okay?
Stay back! Get off! No! No!
Zombie's not dead!
Testes in my pants.
Oh, Nick, please be okay. Nick? Nick, are you here? It's okay to come out. Nick? Nick? Oh, please.
Juliet! Ah!
I'm so hungry.
Ah! Ow! Shit! Are you okay, Juliet?
Yes, Are you?
One bit me. Just a little bit. I don't know what that means. What does it mean?
Oh no, it can't be.
I feel it in me. I'm gonna become one, huh? Fuck! I'm screwing up your birthday, aren't I? I'm sorry, Juliet. I don't want to fuck up your birthday.
My birthday? Don't worry about that. That's the dumbest thing ever.
Listen, I know it's stupid. We just started getting serious, but I wanted you to know. I know I've never said it or anything, but I kind of sort of, you know, love you. Oh, I fucking love you. Oh.
Nick. No. There's something we can try. It's the only chance we have to save you.
Juliet? What the fuck?